Okay, here we are, new project day one. We got this backsplash installed all around here and this section here. We've been doing some really nice, it's like a 3 by 12, 3 by 16. That's going to be going around this whole area over here. The brick pattern over here, 50% offset all around here. Then this section here, I'm going to do this really nice mural feature right above the stove area. So it's a completely remodeled kitchen. I'm coming in here to set the towel for this client. Day one of this project, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to protect all the countertops, then set up a staging area for the wet saw and mixing and whatnot. So there we go, day one. Okay guys, here we are, day two on this project. Came in yesterday, got everything protected, got plastic overhanging the cabinets for any overspray, any debris. All the top of the counters are protected with all kinds of material here. I set that back section, so when I'm ready to start stacking these, I know that's set and dry, won't move on me at all. Then I was able to get most of this set. I literally have one piece over here at the set right there. Then I'll clean this up today and I'll lay out this wall here and start setting that. So day two of this project. Okay guys, here we are back on site. Came in Saturday, cleaned up what I set the day before, which was down over here and some areas. But anyway, back here on Monday, set this area on Saturday and over there. So today I'm going to clean all this up, finish setting around here, some cuts underneath the cabinets as well. And then I gotta put a couple pieces down here. You don't see it when you put the stove in. Then we'll be ready for grout. So day 6, continuing